What we have here is a Hunter Pfaltzgraff Collection Yorktowne. So basically these fans were offered in the early to mid 90s. They may have even went into the late 90s. I'm not entirely sure, but this fan here I got on my neighborhood Facebook page for free. And I apologize about any poor lighting. It's kind of later in the day right now, which leaves me with minimal light. So throughout the video, I'm going to leave the light on the fan. But so let me turn the light on right now. So this is what it looks like with the light on. And basically with these Hunter Pfaltzgraff Collection fans, there were 4 different variations of the Hunter Pfaltzgraff Collection. They all had the same general design and same floral design, but they were just basically different colors. You had the tea rose, which had polished brass brackets with a clear globe. That kind of, I forget what they're called, but they had like a semicircle globe that was like open on the bottom. And then there was a Yorktowne, which is what you see here. And then they had the folk art, which was like a brown color with the same globe here as the Yorktowne uses. And then you had the Hopscotch, which was completely white and also used the same globe. They all have the same globe except for the tea rose. So I'm gonna show you what all 4 of those look like right now. So yeah, that was all 4 of the Hunter Pfaltzgraff Collection fans. And obviously this one's a Yorktowne. Used the same motor that any other Hunter from this time uses. I think it's like a 177mm or something like that. Just another motor out of like a Summer Breeze or anything like that. So let's start it off on low. Does shake around a little. Usually wasn't shaking this bad before, but it just is for some reason now. I don't have the set screw on the fan very tight, so that's probably why. Average low speed for any Hunter of its time, pretty much. And the Hunter logo on the side of the switch housing you see up there is just a sticker that's stuck onto the side of the switch housing. Let's go up to medium now. moving pretty good air. Let's go up to high speed now. Now the bearings were very bad in this fan when I got it. It was a top bearing that was causing an issue for this fan. But I just did what I normally do. I just threw some heavyweight oil, and that seemed to resolve it for the most part. Now something this fan has that not a lot of other Hunters do, at least from what I've had, the motor has a nice little hum to it. Like not the humming you'd normally see on a Hunter fan, but it has this really nice sounding whine type hum to it, which I don't think the camera can pick up, but maybe it is, I don't know. Very quiet with minimal noise. Let's get a close up because I forgot to get a close up earlier. These are the two pull chains I had when I picked it up. So that's what was already on there. I did not put them on. Came 100% complete. Shut it off now. Now, I don't remember if I mentioned before, but if you look at the 4 models of the Hunter Pfaltzgraff Collection, all of them had the same frosted mushroom globe, except for the T-Rose. Everything else had a frosted mushroom globe, well, exactly like this Yorktowne has. Now, I'm the type of person who really likes floral designs on fans for whatever reason. My personal favorite from the Hunter Pfaltzgraff Collection was the folk art, which I hope to find one someday. The more rare side of the Pfaltzgraff Collection were the folk art and Hopscotch, while the T-Rose and Yorktowne are the more common of the two. However, they are a pretty rare fan to begin with. And let me get one more close shot of it when the blades are not in motion. And the blades are also reversible from white to whatever you want to call this. Like a washed or a bleached oak. I don't know what you want to call that. But there it is. And there you have it for the Hunter Pfaltzgraff Collection Yorktowne.